Hi, here Andy Souwer, multiple world champion kickboxing and shootboxing. Ducking into my foreleg. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hi, here Andy Souwer, multiple world champion kickboxing and shootboxing. Today shooting some videos for Warriors Collective. Today, by putting some pressure on my opponent, mostly my opponent will react with something. Some with kicks, some with hands. For this time we choose that my opponent is starting up with a jab, he's coming over. Or it is also a possibility when you're seeing your opponent making a couple jabs in a row, you can tell, in that case you can time pretty well, right? Because you see the same body language with setting up his jab. But for now we choose that I'm putting some pressure. I'm expecting that he's gonna make a jab, so I see him coming. Halfway, I'm gonna step in of course on the right moment, but I cannot do it on the same time. So I'm stepping in on the moment that I'm seeing his jab coming. Halfway, we're gonna cross each other. And I'm gonna set up the punch like a normal right straight cross. I'm not gonna look, or else he's gonna see something and he's gonna defend it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set up like a normal right straight punch. Halfway, we're gonna cross our hands. So this timing, he's not gonna see it. Maybe he sees, but it's too short, From here, I need to go over the arm. So I'm gonna pull up my elbow to go over it and aiming for the chin, temple, back of his head, and try to knock him out. So, a little bit faster because it needs some video shooting. What I'm gonna do, see the jab coming from his defense. Jab is coming, I'm gonna step in on the right moment. I'm gonna bring my weight to my foreleg, or else I'm not gonna let him miss. Because when I step forwards, he's gonna hit me. So I'm gonna step, ducking into my foreleg. Halfway I'm gonna bring up my elbow to reach for his chin again. Okay? So, on the right moment, starting up with a normal right straight punch over there. Boom. From here, we're gonna go on with a left lift punch, left uppercut. This is one movement, short rotations. 1, 2, and bring up the right knee. This is also only you're only able to make this one when the guy is standing. Usually after the first part he's already wobbled or knocked out, but if he's not, you can go on with this. A little bit faster. What we're gonna do, he's starting up with a jab. In training, make sure the jab is not real. He's just stepping in, just to avoid injuries. So he's stepping in, he's holding up with his right hand. I'm gonna make the normal situation like this. I'm gonna make myself smaller, bring my weight to my foreleg. From here on, take the body with me, make a short movement, rotation. Bring it up on his chin. If he's not down yet, boom, pulling up the knee again, and I make sure I'm unbalanced again. A little bit fast. He steps in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bringing back the back leg to get in balance again. Fast. Once again, stepping in is the most important moment. But while stepping in, dive to the left, to your foreleg. On the same time, I'm gonna start up the punch like a normal straight cross. So what I'm gonna do, stepping in, when he's making the jab, going over the arm by pulling up the elbow and reach for his chin, temple, or the back of his head. From here on, if he's not wobbled or knocked out, I'm gonna go on for the liver, uppercut, short rotations, knee to bring him back. A little bit faster. Cross on the right moment, liver punch, short rotation, uppercut, knee, bring him back. Fast. Thanks for watching. If you want to see and learn more, go to the App Store, Google Play, Kickboxing University, Andy Souwer, or go to the website, kickboxinguniversity.nl. Oes.